Guys, what's up? Welcome back to a new vlog. Today is Tuesday, April 16th. We leave for Miami in T-minus 2 days, the 18th. So this vlog is going to be a full-on Bachelorette prep video. We are going to be going to Solid Core right now. We're going to go to an infrared sauna afterwards. We're going to grab lunch at Whole Foods. We are going to get our nails done. I need a fill and I need a pedicure. And then we have a few returns to do. We might go tanning. I don't judge me. Do as I say, not as I do, okay? But I like to get a base tan before I go on vacation. Sue me if I go once or twice and get a base tan. Like, I know it's bad, okay? I wear sunscreen on my face and my chest, but sue me, okay? And then tomorrow we're getting our extensions re-sewn or like moved up, and we are also getting our hair gloss on, like a little bit of a color touch up, and finishing packing, and then we leave for the trip on Thursday. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. We are, like I said, going to Miami. Oh my god, it's actually hot as crud in this car right now. The weather though in Massachusetts has been like Mother Nature put her whole badus into this weather lately. Like, the weather was crap for so long, rainy, disgusting, gross, and it's been sunny and 75 the last like 2 days. So I am living for it. I'm literally wearing slides. I haven't worn slippers to Pilates in forever. So anyways, yeah, I don't want to be late. What the heck is my phone? I don't want to be late to Solid Core, so let's get going, but so excited. Wow, you guys, I just finished up that Solid Core class. Oh my goodness, that was killer. I swear every single time it's brutal. Like, even, I mean, it's better when I'm consistent, but like any time that I fall off for like a month, which is like every time right now, just because like I'm almost never home and I feel like I'm always traveling, so it's so hard to be consistent. It just hurts that much more. It feels like you're doing it for the first time, but I'm really proud of myself. I'm glad I did it. My arms are gonna be so sore. We did so much arm stuff and I feel like I'm gonna die, but I'm heading to Whole Foods. I have no idea what I want to eat. I might just get like random stuff and like have just a mishmash of stuff. I also don't know if this lighting is absolutely crazy. Like, can you even see me? Okay, I think that's better. But yeah, I look like a crazy person vlogging in public in this town where people don't do that, but what are you gonna do? Whole Foods haul in the car. It is like so hot in this car, I can't even deal. So I'm sorry if you hear the AC blasting, because it literally feels like it's the middle of summer, which I'm not complaining, but it's hot. I got the most random hodgepodge of crap at Whole Foods. I had no idea what I wanted to eat. I don't know why I'm obsessed with this. The Sonoma chicken salad from Whole Foods is so fire. And then I got a shrimp spring roll. This mix of food is probably disgusting to most people, but I don't know why. I just wanted it. And I got a organic green juice. It's like,
yeah. Like, really, but I almost think that's better.
Not the canceled podcast with Trisha Paytas coming on right now. And then I also got this green juice, which is just kale, cucumber, spinach, lemon, celery, and parsley. This was like healthy, like no fruit, whatever. I love a green juice with a little bit of apple, but I feel like people say it defeats the purpose. But anyways, I'm gonna eat some of this random crap and head to the sauna. Just got to the infrared sauna. This place is really cool. They do a ton of stuff. They have like IV drips, cryo, those like boots that are like good for compression and like whatever for like recovery after workouts and all that. So I'm really excited to like check out their other services, but I'm gonna head in here and do my thing. Guys, look at this beautiful breakfast that my mom just made me. Like, oh my goodness. How delicious is this? Like, I'm so excited to eat this. I just got back from the gym and we are gonna chow down. Hey guys, good morning. Ignore the teeth whitening and the self-tan. I just got back from the gym. My mom made me some breakfast. So I threw on a self-tan, took a shower, threw on some self-tan, put in these boys. The Bachelorette prep continues. But we're gonna go get our hair done, and I also need to stop at like Target or CVS and get some travel sized sunscreen, hairspray, facial cleanser. So that'll be good. I'm almost done packing. I'll show you guys what I've packed so far. Here's my suitcase. Everything is almost white. That dress is actually for Rachel to try. And then over here we have like more toiletry stuff. I just threw that hat over that Victoria's Secret bag. I'm so sorry about my lisp right now, it's crazy, but that has my hat in it that I'm gonna wear to on the boat. but it has like all these bejewels on it and it keeps getting tangled on like all my clothing and like all the stuff everywhere. So I just wanted to like keep it safe. It's my little carry-on. I have like a little pouch, jewelry stuff, every single freaking like medicine known to man. Cameras, chargers, you know what a carry-on bag looks like. You know the vibe. Guys, okay, so I just got to CVS. I had to make a few returns from Amazon for things I ordered for the Bachelorette that didn't end up working out. I just got to CVS because it's close to my hairdresser place, and then I'm gonna grab a coffee. At CVS, I need, like I said, travel size sunscreen, travel size hairspray. I need a pack of gum for my car, and then a pack of gum to bring with me. And then, shit, something else. What else do I need? I write everything down in a Google Doc on my phone. Let's see. Oh, skin cleanser, travel sized cleanser, like a basic one. Oh my god, and I need to pack makeup wipes. Pack makeup wipes. If I didn't do this, I swear to god I would never know what, like, I would just forget everything because my brain goes a mile a minute, and if I did not do this, I simply would never remember all the things I need to do. So anyways, let's go to CVS. Alright guys, bag secured. The girl in there was so cute. She was like, are you traveling? And I was like, yeah, I'm going to Miami for my bachelorette party. She was like, oh girl, like, you better have fun. And I was like, well, I'm gonna try. And she's like, when's the wedding? Like, oh my god, it's gonna happen in the blink of an eye. She was just adorable. Love her, love her life. I got a SPF 50 Copper Tone Sport. I don't know how long, like, I think I'm still gonna bring my full size but put it in my suitcase, but then just put this in my carry-on for like when we get to the hotel before we can check in, like, you know, that time when you just like put your bathing suit in your little like tote bag and like bring this so that we can go straight to the beach. This gum goes in my car. I'm the weirdest person ever. I keep one real gum and then one trash in case I ever want to spit my gum out. And then Mentos, I'm telling you, if you ever feel nauseous like on a plane, traveling, or like if you're hungover, like anything minty like peppermint or something will always help me like not literally yak. And then regular gum for my purse. And then you guys saw I just picked up lotion, a hairspray, and a face cleanser. They actually had a really good selection of travel size stuff, so that was a sleigh. Now we're gonna go to Dunkin', get me a coffee, and then we're gonna go get this hair did. The Dunkin' drive-thru. Got a medium cinnamon vanilla iced coffee with oat milk. I don't always love oat milk. Sometimes I hate it. I go through phases where I'm like on a dairy milk kick. Right now I'm on an oat milk kick. I don't know why. Switches up all the time. $3.74. Thank you.
Have a good one.
Thank you so much, you too. Hey you guys, peep the new hair. We added like a few little like lighter face framing pieces, and like I had two batches of extensions, a lighter set and a darker set, and we kind of mixed the two because like Miami fun. Like I felt like a little like golden like caramely moment would be fun, like with my tan and all of that. I love it. Lauren slays every single time. She's the best. She's been doing my hair since I was like, I don't know, 20 years old. So she's awesome. I ended up postmating a salad. It was so good. I like built it myself. I had like cranberries, apples, banana peppers, like so much roasted vegetables, chicken, feta cheese. Oh my god, this like honey vinaigrette bomb. And I also got a Diet Coke. But that is all for today's video. I'm going to go pack, wash off my tan, and go see my dinky boy. And tomorrow we leave for Miami. 3 a.m. up and at 'em, bright and early. Flight at 6. Bus club, another club. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. 5, 5, 1, 2, 3.